Well, this has been a great week for finding cool pocket change. So good, in fact, that I'm going to have to break it up into 2 videos. And the week's not over yet. Welcome to Coin Nerd. Welcome to Coin Nerd, and as I mentioned, this has already been a great week for finding cool pocket change, starting with this penny. Now, this 1969 penny may not look like much, but the back has what's called a floating roof. See how the top part of the monument does not connect to the bottom? This is what it's supposed to look like. See where you can clearly see the lines are connecting the top to the bottom? Now, mine's not the best example because if I remember right, the floating roof would also be missing the designer's initials, FG, right here. But it's close. Oh, and as you can tell, I found it in a parking lot. Here's a better example of a floating roof with no FG. As for the bills, also picked up another trinary, 2006-06-02, which just also happens to be a date note, 2006, June the 2nd. And another date note, 12/15-12/17, which is almost a repeater if that'd been a 5. And that just happens to be the years of the First Barons' War. Never heard of it, but if you want to read that, just hit pause. And it's also a skip note, or alternator note, whatever you want to call it. See how every other digit is a 1? And speaking of skip notes, I picked up 2 more. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 0, 0, 0, 0. And then there are a few more that are good for liar's poker. This one's got 4 of a kind, and a pair. This one's got bookends, 4 of a kind. And this one has 2 triples. Come back soon and I'll show you what else I found. One of these is quite rare. Maybe I'll even find more. Thanks for watching Coin Nerd. Hopefully the next video will be better.